Masih punya berbalik pasar polisi cuk. Masih berbahasa ibarat. Masih berbahasa ibarat. Tiga kali tua. Tua. Ya sudah semua.
I'm so glad we're in the front because we're in every picture.
Joyous opening ceremony of the Micronesian Games, Mondo 2024. Tonight, we celebrate the spirit of unity and the rich cultural heritage of our blue Pacific. Get ready for an unforgettable evening as we introduce our exceptional hosts who will embody the heart and soul of the Micronesian states. We have the one and only Nico Dulatron.
Boys basketball from
Nico
two.
is an extraordinary fisherman whose deep connection to the ocean mirrors our shared Pacific heritage. Nico's boundless enthusiasm and passion for both sports and our maritime traditions will infuse tonight's festivities with energy and pride. Ladies and gentlemen, Nico! Up next, we are thrilled to present Tristan Juno Huruichi, an esteemed ambassador and diverse community leader. Tristan's profound knowledge of Micronesian tradition, combined with his charismatic presence, makes him the perfect guide for tonight's celebration. His stories and wisdom reflect the heart and soul of our island, celebrating our shared history and vibrant culture. Ladies and gentlemen, Gino! And finally, bringing grace and elegance to our